SCON Design India Private Ltd is renowned as the best BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With their exceptional expertise and experience in building information modeling, BIM, services, SCON Design has established a strong reputation in the industry. Their commitment to delivering high-quality services and their ability to meet the diverse needs of their clients has made them a preferred choice for BIM services in the region. As the best BIM company in Yelahanka, SCON Design offers a wide range of BIM services including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, construction documentation, and more. Their team of highly skilled and experienced professionals ensures that every project is executed with precision and efficiency. They have a deep understanding of the BIM process and utilize advanced technologies and software to deliver accurate and reliable results. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart as the best BIM company is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize understanding the unique requirements of each client and tailor their services accordingly. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale development, they approach each project with the same level of dedication and professionalism. They work closely with their clients throughout the entire process, ensuring effective communication and collaboration to achieve the desired outcomes. SCON Design's expertise in BIM extends to various sectors including residential, commercial, industrial, healthcare, hospitality, and more. Their comprehensive knowledge of industry standards and regulations allows them to deliver projects that comply with all necessary guidelines. They also keep up with the latest advancements in BIM technology, ensuring that their clients benefit from the most innovative solutions available. What truly sets SCON Design apart as the best BIM company in Yelahanka is their commitment to quality and timely delivery. When it comes to finding the best BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With their expertise and experience in building information modeling, BIM, they have earned a reputation for delivering high-quality services and solutions to their clients. SCON Design is known for its commitment to excellence and its ability to effectively utilize BIM technology to enhance the design, construction, and operation of buildings. As the best BIM company in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design offers a wide range of BIM services to meet the diverse needs of their clients. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are proficient in using BIM software and tools to create accurate 3D models of buildings. These models enable architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate effectively and make informed decisions throughout the entire project lifecycle. SCON Design also provides clash detection services, which help